Okay, here we have a casting of 70% copper, 30% zinc, yellow brass. And we will be giving a density of this piece. Okay, 70-30 blend has a density between 8.3 to 8.4 grams per cubic centimeter. Okay, so we're going to get the piece weighed, tear the scale. It weighs 13.18 grams. Okay. Okay. There you go. Weighing 1.56 grams in water. Okay, so we get the calculator out. .45 grams per cubic centimeter. And that is the density of this yellow brass casting. Okay, this piece, this alloy, when it's polished up, it kind of mimics 14 karat yellow gold, right? And then what you'd want to do is, if you're making a promo ring, is cast the piece in this metal, electrolytically nickel plate it, and then plate it with karat gold. And then that's to make it really a nice promo ring. This is a good alloy to use. 70-30 blend, and approximately 70-30. This probably is maybe 75-25, but very close to that. And there's only two metals that is used. Okay, that is that. Hope you enjoyed this video of this density test of jeweler's yellow brass. The next videos I'll be covering jeweler's bronze and density testing that, but made this casting up, and this is the density of yellow brass. Have a good day.